This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable spell check in LibreOffice Writer. Let me jump over to Writer here. I have LibreOffice Writer opened up now. I have a little example project here. I have a bunch of lorem ipsum text on my document, and as you can see, spell check has underlined all these words. Spell check is saying these are spelt wrong. It's actually lorem ipsum text. But to enable or disable spell check, all you need to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Tools tab, click on Tools. Then you'll go straight down, the second thing down here, Automatic Spell Check. You want to click on that. Now as you can see on my document, all that red underlining is gone now. I have turned off spell check. And to re-enable spell check, you just follow the same steps. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to the Tools tab, click on Tools. Then I'm going to go down and I'm going to click on Automatic Spell Checking. Now as you can see on my document, spell check has been turned back on. All these words are underlined again. That is how to enable or disable spell check in LibreOffice Writer. Thanks for watching.